Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to delete the Netflix account. So let's get started. In order to delete the Netflix account, you can use the Netflix app on your mobile devices such as Android phones and tablets, iPhone, iPad, or any touch to permanently delete your account. Launch the Netflix app on your mobile device and tap My Netflix in the lower right corner. In the upper right of My Netflix, tap on the More 3 dashboard option available there or 3 dots. Then simply tap on the account in the pop-up menu and under settings scroll all the way down and tap delete account. Use the code Netflix sending to you to complete the security check and confirm you want to delete your account by checking the box and then tapping permanently delete. The Netflix will send you an email confirmation of your deletion request. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.